Have you ever asked yourself what edge computing actually is? Are you also wondering about the difference between cloud computing and edge computing? In this video, we will have a look at the basic definition of edge computing and also how you can use it to benefit your own machine, your factory, or even your whole company. I'm Vivien from IMAGO TV, and I will be guiding you through this video. Edge computing is the new concept everyone is talking about at the moment. It is a new approach for Industry 4.0 solutions. In itself, it can be a security upgrade for any machine, factory or company. Usually, big companies or factories use cloud computing for their data management. Today, cloud services run in the cloud, which means on a remote server. Of course, this isn't the safest solution, as latest examples show. Once the cloud software should run locally on your machine or inside your factory, edge computing becomes necessary. Edge computing is open from the outside, but secure and closed regarding software updates and personal data. You could also call edge computing private or secure cloud computing. Next, we will have a look at what the edge controller should provide. An edge computer or edge controller should provide, first, an area inside the computer to install or run cloud-based software, which is managed from the outside. Second, an area inside to manage data from a lot of different devices like IPCs, embedded computers, intelligent sensors, and of course vision systems and smart cameras, as they are a key technology in today's machines. Private data is stored and merged for metadata analysis inside the edge box. Third, computing power to process the data. And fourth, security guaranteed as a combination of software and hardware functions, or also cryptography. The EdgeBox Lemore by IMAGO Technologies fulfills exactly these requirements. While it was actually developed for image processing and machine vision, it is also the best option for high-end edge computing. And why? To provide highest computing power, it was invented with an 8-core ARM Cortex-A72 processor inside. While the Lemore Basic version offers several PCIe slots, the Lemore Compact impresses with its form factor, with 10 gigabit per second Ethernet interfaces, and a real-time communication controller for the digital I/Os. The EdgeBox Lemore runs on the Linux OS, and IMAGO offers a complete toolchain. As an engineering option, we provide timing reports that show the system behavior. Are you interested in learning more? Then check out all the technical information about the EdgeBox on our website and contact us for a customized offer. The link is below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest news about machine vision cameras and systems, embedded vision and more. Thank you for watching.